Most devotees who come to visit Upper Mustand and Muktinath visit Kalika Bhagwati in Bagling. But along with the improvement of Panchkot Dham, the road is being improved and attractive arrangements are being made, so you should also visit this Panchkot Dham once. Panchkot Dham is located in Ward number 6 of Bagling municipality and is located at the foot of Kalika and Malika hills. It is called Panchkot Dham as it is made up of the famous Tarajal Kot, Karikot, Majkot, Rangange Kot and Sansar Kot. It is also known as Sarvasiddha Dham. Located 7 kilometers north of Baglang Bazar, this place has been developed as a religious and tourist destination with a clear view of Annapurna, Machapuchre, Dhaulagiri, and Nilgiri Himals. A 108-foot tall world peace Kalash and a 5,555 kilogram bell have been built here. There are also large statues of Garudharudha Narayana and Mahavira Hanuman, a decorated temple dedicated to goddess Gandaki, and the Darpan Bhul Bhuliya, Shish Mahal, Palace. The Ranga Venkatesh Muktanarayan temple located in Kudulefedi has become a pilgrimage site for Tirupati Balaji for domestic and foreign tourists. The temple has more than 10,000 artistic stones engraved with the word Shri Ram, and the woodwork in the temple is done by Kaligads of Bhaktpur. It is said that more than 12.5 million Ram names are inscribed in the temple, made of clay from 108 pilgrimage sites in Nepal and India.
पहिला के अहिले
मूर्ति
यहाँ बाजी यहाँ पनि निवारण छन् कि क्या निवारण चाहिँ छन्
यतापट्टि न्याहरू यतापट्टि छन्
बजारमा पनि छन् है यहाँ बागलुङको बजारमा पनि निवारण छन् निवारणको ठाउँमा अलि यस्तो मन्दिर धेरै बचिया छ कि धेरै संरक्षण गर्छ धेरै साली के छ त्यही त यस्तोमा यस्तोमा दान गर्छ हाम्रो भक्तपुरले त कहाँ दान गर्छ इच्छाकामा कहाँ दान गर्छ त्यही त नगरपालिकाले हेर्छ
A 100-foot long and 11.5-foot wide tunnel near the shrine has been formally opened for tourists. The museum displays replicas of Gandaki pilgrimage sites and more than 10 million rare shaligrams in number. There is also a residential Vedic school in the area. The government of Nepal has listed Panchkot in the list of the best 100 tourist destinations in Nepal. According to Rishi Prapanacharya, the ancestral shrines of all communities of Nepal will be established in Panchkot. We will establish ancestral shrines of all communities, including Tiawan Biles, indigenous peoples, and Aryans, in one place and develop this place as a common religious place so that it becomes a temple for everyone, he said. He said that there is no plan to make Panchkot just a religious place. All religious places have their own importance. We want to make Panchkot a unique place in its own right. This place has its own identity, he added. Infrastructure worth 140 million rupees has been built in Panchkot. The construction was started with the money collected through the Mahayagya, Vedic ritual, organized in 2014. Many new religious structures are currently under construction. A 3-story building for guests, a footpath, and a temple of Gandaki Devi are being built. According to our plan, it will cost more than 2 billion rupees to build all the structures, said Narendra Sharma, former president of Panchkot. Along with the development of other infrastructure, cattle breeding is also being built in Ward number 5 of Bagling municipality and Jaljala rural municipality. Due to the accessibility of transport, the arrival of domestic tourists to Panchkot has increased dramatically. However, the roadside shops and hotels here are not well maintained. The locals here expect economic activities to increase by promoting Panchkot as a tourist destination. If pilgrims who come to visit Muktinath Baba can be kept in Panchkot for just one night, the surrounding area can also benefit, said Jairam Bhari, President of the Bagling Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Bagling municipality has also expressed its commitment to develop tourism in the place.
बाजे कुन देवता रे यो सिद्धि लक्ष्मी नारायण तल पनि पञ्चलक्ष्मी यहाँ चाहिँ सिद्धि लक्ष्मी टक ल राम्रो छ कसले बजाउनु आउँछ यले त बजाइरहेको होला ल भक्तपुरको टोन बजाउनु दियो ल